Hey guys, it's me Jen. And today, as you can see that little thing right there, I'm in the washroom because it's really good lighting. So today I have my slime with me here today. And I don't know why I like that sound. Oh yeah, I put my hair up because I'm gonna go for a shower later. So yeah. So if you want to know how to make your slime nice, I guess it's nice, I don't know. Okay guys, so what you'll need, okay, I'm going to try to fix my slime because when I clump it up and stuff, it gets all messy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is grip my container, put my slime in my container. Hold on. I'm trying to find a good spot where you can see. Oh yeah, guys, and I have $20, and I'm gonna go shopping with my money. Okay, guys, I kind of found a spot, but you might not be able to see my face, cause. Oh yay! Got some information. Could I use that yesterday? Wasn't thinking. Okay, I don't know why I put the color. I don't know why I put toilet. Okay. So, as you can see, this is what we will be using. Okay, so I got some foamy hand soap, some shaving foam, it's just Spider-Man, and then some lotion Mad About You. I have a pink lotion, like from the store called Pink. Okay, so now I need to add my foamy soap, foamy shaving cream. Shake it up to top. Oh god, and it smells good a little bit. Okay. Oh, I should have. I'm going for a shower, so I'll just get messy. Oh yeah, guys, this makes it fluffy, and I love fluffy slime. It's my favorite. Yeah. And you could add some color in it, but I don't want it because the lotion is already making it pink. I want to color it like a different color or something. Like a blue. See, it looks weird. It was perfect before, but it wouldn't stretch, and I did this. So all my slimes were perfect. I don't even know where I put all my slimes. I had a lot, like that. Okay, once I got that all mixed in, I'm not going to mix it all in. Okay, now I need to add my foamy hand soap in. It's just like some foamy stuff. You wash your hand. I'll show you guys in a minute when I'm done. So you guys, this is foamy hand soap. I use this. Okay. Now, seriously, I keep putting it in the way. Now I'm just gonna mix it. Yeah, guys, my hands are messy. Are my earrings and stuff? Yeah, they are. I just couldn't see because I'm wearing little pink earrings. They're little flowers. They're really pretty. Okay, guys, so I don't need to mix it all. I'll do that later. So, yeah, for minutes. So, oh yeah, with my $20, I'm gonna go to the mall, maybe to Arlene's, and buy some shirts and clothes. Which I'll show you my stuff when I get back. And it might just be shoes I'm buying because there's these red Vans that I want to buy. But maybe I'll just go to Ardene's to get stuff. Not like surprise bags, like maybe surprise bags, but I think I'll just get shirts at Ardene's. Because I do fit Ardene's clothes. Ugh. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to add my lotion, Mad About You, Bath & Body Works. I actually like Bath & Body Works. I can't open this. Okay, got it. I was using my muscles. Now I'm gonna switch it. Okay, I got it in, so I'm gonna temper. I was gonna say table. I love that sound. I don't know why. It sounds like farting noise. Okay, guys, now you can see it's getting a little better. These pieces are falling. Oh yeah, today I'm gonna make pancakes. I'm gonna make one big batter and make a huge one. And I'm even gonna flip it. I actually know how to make pancakes. Let's see if that's gonna be good. I have a cloth, that's why I got it. Okay, then guys, I'm gonna put it on the table because I totally forgot that I had a cloth. Yeah, that noise. Oh yeah, yesterday I was playing. Can you be quiet? I'm making a YouTube video. I want to make butter slime, but I forget where my clay is. It looks weird. It looks like a brain. I think I want it more fluffier. It does not smell like grape. I have to shake it up. Shake it up. Cha 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 cha. Okay, guys. Okay. I think I have to. Okay. Bye, guys.